Such a beautiful day. Okay, so that happened, and today I wanted to do something that I've never done before. Like, never in my life I've always wanted to do it. I want to get lash extensions, so I'm gonna go to the mall. Hopefully I'll be able to vlog all of that, but this is what my lashes look like now. They're really curly and coily. I don't know if you guys can see, but really curly and coily. And we'll see what it looks like when I have extensions on, and so that I don't have to struggle with trying to put them on. On top of getting my lash extensions, I'm also gonna be getting my nails done because I'll be at the beauty salon, so I might as well just get all of that done. Then tomorrow I'm getting my hair done. I don't know if I've said this before, but anyway, yeah. So that's what we're gonna do today. And also, as you can see, I'm barefaced, no makeup, because apparently you shouldn't be wearing makeup when you get your lashes done. So I did some research, y'all. So that's why. And today I'm rocking my in-casa shirt from One Step Closer to Nguni. I'll link the Instagram page on my description box, so that if you want to get yourself some merch, you can. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so change of plans. I'm not doing my lashes today because I've got my place that does them. So big now all of a sudden doesn't do their lashes, so I'm just gonna go do my nails. And then tomorrow bright at 8 a.m. I'm getting my hair done at 8 a.m. So let's go do that. I'm here. I finished getting my nails done. I'm just waiting to get picked up so I can go back home. So yeah. This is so weird. Waiting in the basement for them to show up. Standing in the basement. Standing in the basement. Chilling in the basement. Yo. I do look like those rappers though with this. Chilling in the basement. Where's my ride? Where's my ride? Hey my lovely people. So I got my nails did, okay? I feel like they're simple and classic and nothing bougie or nothing major. So, no, I feel like a girl again. Okay, I can talk like this. And then I'll be doing my hair and hopefully my lashes tomorrow. I haven't found a lash place yet since Sobe now suddenly doesn't do lashes, but this is where I got my nails done at Sobe in SANDTON. And yo guys, I always get the same lady to do my nails, like just put in getting done. Like, she's really good, and she's just generally such a sweet person. I always enjoy our conversations. You know, I always stress about, then now I have to make conversation because I don't want it to be awkward and silent while I'm getting my nails done for like 2 hours or whatever. With her, it's not like that. Like, it's just like we're old friends, and yeah, I just really had a good day, honestly. We're about to change. We're going to gym, so it's a bit early. It's like an hour early, but we're doing early gym today, so I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I have an appointment for 8 a.m. for my hair, so it's an early morning.
The next day.
Good morning. I'm about to have my breakfast now. The time is, I don't know, something to 7 or so, and my appointment is at 8 o'clock, so yeah, I'm trying to leave early so that we don't get stuck in traffic. But it is such a beautiful morning. I feel like I overdid it though. I woke up around 5. I felt like I was going back to primary or high school. I haven't woken up that early in so long. But yeah, I'm so excited for today. Can't wait for you guys to see my new hairdo. Yeah, and I'll take you guys along with me. So let's have a good day. My breakfast. I have lemon curd yogurt, some granola, and I've added like mixed seeds. There's pumpkin seeds, there's yeah, I really forgot, but there's 4 seeds, guys, in there. Y'all can see. Okay, so the first thing we did, I got a hair wash, and it felt really, really good. A good head massage as well. And then I had to sit under the dryer for like an hour so that my dreadlocks could properly dry, and then we'd start on the faux lock process. So this is just me chilling there in the dryer. Fell asleep a couple of times, but yeah, they're my new friends. And 8 hours later, these are the results. I am so happy. I love how they feel. They're not heavy at all. They just look beautiful, you guys. And honestly, I had no complaints. It didn't hurt at all. And this is just me waiting to get picked up because I'm starving. I haven't eaten the whole day. So yeah. Hey guys, I'm finally home. I've just been in the whole day at the salon from 8 a.m. It is now 7 o'clock, and I'm having my first meal of the day. It had to be McDonald's. This is what my hair looks like. What my nails look like. Oops, I look like a girl again. So that's good. Cheers. Hey guys, I'm back in my room now. I'm back home. My hair is done. Like, I'm obsessed. It looks so good. I love it. They're called Bohemian or Boholocs. And yeah, guys, that's where I'm going to be ending this video. Unfortunately, I still didn't find a place that does eyelash extensions, so that will not be included in this video, unfortunately. But I hope you guys enjoyed going around Johannesburg with me, seeing new places. I found a new salon now, so yay to me. So yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, and please leave a comment down below, and recommend new places that you guys would want me to check out. You know, all things beauty and pampering, because clearly that's my thing now. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I love you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.